sunset in Atlantic Ocean. It feels like the sun falling to the ocean. It's a color, it's very red. It's a big fireball falling to the water. Right now we're in Atlantic Ocean, way from Labadie, Haiti to United States of America, Fort Lauderdale. Tomorrow we will be arrived Port Everglades, Port of Call, and it was amazing birthday cruise starting from Fort Lauderdale. We have a day at sea. After this we visit perfect day Coco Cay, Bahamas. After Bahamas we was in Jamaica foremost, cruise of Port Jamaica and Labadie, Haiti. And now we have a fantastic day at sea. And this is your travel agent, Luxury Travel by Valentina. When you're cruising, you can see amazing wonder of the world. One time when I traveled Gibraltar, was one side of the ship we can see the moon, and different side of we see the sunset, sunrise, sunset. It's amazing in one location. The sun is almost fell to the water. We can see a little sun. Very soon it will be gone. It looks like a red hot right now. Really beautiful. By the way, my dear friends, if you're interested to follow me on Instagram, this is Instagram Realtor Valentina or _ Versace 7, and Valentina's YouTube Luxury Properties International. You always call me for any vacation destination you're dreaming about. 561-335-9459. This is it. Magic is happen. Sun is fall to the ocean. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Ciao for now. I see you on the next cruise.